Elvira. I'm a radiology specialist from Croatia, and I am very happy to be here and to be moderator today. We have two speakers today. So first is Alexandro, CERSI student ambassador from Romania, and he will speak first today. So please, Alexandro, let's start.
CERSI provides this quite amazing opportunity of being able to do an internship in one of Europe's centers. And there are really many centers from many countries all over Europe that are open to receive students. And you can go check more about the technicalities and how to apply for this program and on the CERSI website. But I'm going to tell you about my experience. So I started as a second-year medical student, and I applied. I was a bit, let's say, I didn't knew what I was getting involved with at first, but I managed to get accepted to CHUV in Lausanne, where I had quite an amazing experience alongside the interventional radiology team there, led by Dr. Raphael Durand and by Professor Alban Denis. And it was quite an amazing experience. I managed to learn a lot.
Second speaker is Letisia, a radiology specialist from France. I'm very happy to introduce her. So Letisia, please start.
So the first steps, you will have to observe and try to be more than a simple observer. Try to be very attentive and learn from every operator. Ask questions, because you will see every operator will give you different advices and have different way to perform even the same procedures. So you have some things to learn from everyone. Don't forget also to learn from the radiographers and nurses, because they have lots of things, they know lots of things about how to take care of patients in IR. Take also this time where you cannot really practice with your hand to read about theory, indication, procedures, and don't forget to learn everything about material, device, injection protocol, every button on your C-arm, on each device in the angiosuit.